Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. Today we have a Discovery in stock with us. This one in particular, fantastic specification with it being the HSE and finished off in the beautiful colour of Santorini Black. Now we've got the extended exterior black pack on this car, so black lettering, black grille, all right around the car. 3D surround camera as well as them surround sensors, and arguably the best wheels that do go on Discovery, which are those 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Now we've got fixed side steps. They're not a cheap accessory. They clock in at about £2,000 at a retail cost. Keyless entry, black roof rails and privacy glass, which does add that extra level of comfort for the rear passengers. And coming right round to the rear, of course, Discovery being a 7-seater vehicle, so we can use them tethers to lift up the 6th and 7th seat once we get that parcel shelf out. Full-size seats as well, to be more than comfortable in the rear of this car. We have got an electrically deployable Towbar, so again, a very nice accessory. Electronic air suspension, so we can lower or raise the vehicle, as well as having them second row seats all electrically adjustable via the rear seat remote levers. Now, jumping into the rear of the car, we've got a two-tone interior of the Ebony and light Oyster. Again, that second row seats does slide forwards and backwards depending if we need more boot or leg space in the rear. Heated rear seats as well, which is always a nice thing for the rear occupants. Electrically adjustable seats and steering wheel, which does have memory functionality, and Meridian speaker, which sound absolutely fantastic. Now this car, 35,004 miles at the time of recording. We've got a heated steering wheel, dual zone climate control down here. With it being HSE, not only do we have our heated seats, but we've actually got cooling seats as well. A huge infotainment system called Pivi Pro, so we have all our navigation, phone connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Of course, we can control all of the likes of our tow bar and air suspension from there as well. Wireless device charging, twin cup holders, of course it is an automatic. Lots of storage space to talk about between the two front seats. But finally, looking up ahead, we've got two glass roofs on this Discovery. One at the front, of course, one at the rear, and this one is actually a sliding and opening sunroof as well. So a fantastic example of what the Discovery 5 has to offer. If you do have any further questions, my name's Sam. You can give us a call on 01642 644 444. Thank you.